Hello everyone, I am Shivangi, a student of the Learn and Perform Institute, and I have recently got my class 10 board results. Today I am here in front of you all to share my experiences and what I have learned from this institute. First of all, I would love to thank Priya ma'am for considering me capable of this opportunity, and I would love to tell you all that I have successfully scored 96.4% in class 10th. Priya ma'am has supported me a lot and motivated me and helped me a lot in my studies. Under her guidance only, I was able to score 93 marks in English. She is a very supportive and loving teacher, and she has supported us just like a mentor, guide, friend and mother, and has treated us just like her own children. She has helped us a lot in our studies and in our life by teaching us proper moral values and proper communication skills, and by providing us with good study materials, regular PYQs and sample paper discussions. From my experience, I would love to recommend this institute to all my fellow juniors who want to develop their communication skills and want to develop their spoken English. That's all which I wanted to say. Lastly, I would love to thank our dear ma'am again for her guidance and support and for playing such an important role in my results. Thank you everyone who has listened to me carefully. I would say to all my fellow juniors to be consistent and keep studying and get even better marks. Thank you.